This demo showcases LinkFinder AI as a powerful alternative to Lucia for lead enrichment. You'll see how LinkFinder AI delivers extensive data enrichment and API automation capabilities to enhance your sales workflows. On Lucia, for $50 per month, you get up to 400 credits per month. The alternative to Lucia is introduced in the description of this video. Clicking the link redirects you to LinkFinder AI, the alternative to Lucia. You are redirected to LinkFinder AI, a B2B data enrichment API for sales teams. On the pricing page, you can see transparent plans starting at $29 per month. For $49, you get up to 5,000 credits, which is 10 times more value than Lucia for the same price. Here is an example lead profile. Sarah M. Johnson, Senior Technical Architect at Salesforce, Avon, United States. You can select the output type such as LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address. Select the output type you want to enrich, like LinkedIn profile data or email address. Click Enrich Data to start enriching the selected data. Click here to continue with the enrichment process. Select the output type again, such as LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address. Fill in the output type field with your desired data type for enrichment. Click Enrich Data to process the new selection. Click on the phone number to view detailed lead contact information. Click to select data types such as company name, domain, email address, or LinkedIn company URL. Click to choose the data type for enrichment from the available options. Fill the data type field with the specific type of data you want to enrich. Click to select output types like company website, phone number, LinkedIn URL, or email. Click to select the data type for enrichment from the drop-down menu. Fill in the data type field to specify the enrichment target. Click to select output types such as LinkedIn profile data or employee count. Click to choose the data type for enrichment from the list. Click API Access to explore automation and integration options. Click View API Docs to see detailed API usage instructions. Click Credits and Limits to understand usage quotas and restrictions. Click Company Enrichment to see API calls related to company data. Click B2B Data Lookup to explore business data enrichment capabilities.